Unboxing once more is another Rolex. Check this bad boy out right here.
Yes, yeah. Rebel came to ball, fresh from the ball, back to the wall with my hands up.
Alright guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. This is the gold face Datejust. Rolex just came in. This is beautiful, definitely guys. If you are gonna have a gold chain on or gold bracelets, you need a gold face Rolex right here. This is one of my favorite Rolexes. It's just timeless. Beautiful, man. 904L. Stainless steel. You see the logo right there. And it comes with this hardwood rocks. Comes with the paperwork and everything right here. You know what I mean? Hit me up if interested, but these are gonna go fast. So hit me up in the DMs. I'm signing out, y'all. Peace.